Good day, I'm Chia from AmpQuartz, and today we're going to talk about whether aluminium kitchen cabinet is still worth it in 2024. So the first reason that you're going to buy a aluminium kitchen cabinet in 2024 will be its amazing level of fire and heat resistance. Aluminium is a high melting point material and also non-combustible. Compared to wood cabinet, this adds an extra layer of your safety to your kitchen. Fire accidents will be minimized when you are using an aluminium kitchen cabinet. So, before we continue on, remember to subscribe our channel and hit the like and share button. So, the insect and termite issues is one of the main problems that's haunting the homeowners in 2024. But it all ends with an aluminium kitchen cabinet. Aluminium is a metal which is non-cellulose based material, which insects love this kind of material. Insect and termites feeds on cellulose based materials such as wood, paper and etc. Therefore, aluminium does not even contain the cellulose to allow the termites and insects to consume it, basically form an anti-termite ability. In terms of material and build quality, aluminium kitchen cabinet is also on the top list. Aluminium kitchen cabinet is much lighter than materials like wood and steel, which makes it easier to handle and install. Despite its lightweight nature, it is strong and sturdy, providing a durable cabinet structure. It can support a good amount of weight without sagging and losing their shape over the time. And if you are wondering the practicality of an aluminium kitchen cabinet, aluminium kitchen cabinets are smooth and non-porous, making them easy to clean than other materials. They do not absorb stains, odors or grease. So a simple wipe down with a damp cloth is usually sufficient to keep them looking new. Then a lot of people will say lah, hey, but aluminium kitchen cabinet memang expensive leh, is it worth it? This is where you're wrong. Aluminium cabinet might have a higher upfront cost compared to other materials such as solid plywood or MDF, but their longevity and low maintenance needs make them a cost-effective option in the long term. You will definitely save a lot of money on repairs, replacement and upkeep over the years. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing carpentry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So, when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So, if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet.
Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.